I'm the Crypto Lifer. If you like to make money in cryptocurrency, you should join the Patreon. If you like to learn how to use charts to bank coin, you should jump in to the Patreon. Link will be below. Sign up as soon as you can. Why? Well, check it out. We went over Rev just a week ago. And look at Rev now, banging from my entry at exactly about 1484. It went to a high of 34. Wouldn't you like to have doubled up real quick? And it's going to 222 if it continues to the measured move. There's one of the wins, okay? We talked about Cocos, BQX. We went over it on the weekly screen share together as a team. We then talked about why. We went over so many different things. Cocos was down here when I posted it. It's 72. It went all the way up to 650 at one point. Cocos BQX absolutely melted faces. And this is one of the trades we're ready to look at now as it's ready to go up even more to 727 off of the 618. If you don't know what the 618 is, you might want to join the Patreon. I'm just saying. Now, we're going to keep it moving here. EGLD, which was one of my favorite holdings. I talked about it at $20 a coin. That's right, $20 a coin. EGLD, how much is it now? How much is it now? I got in at $20. All right. It is now $4.94. Went to a high of $5.43. That's the blow off top. I mean, that's insanity. It's going to have to come on down and cool off now. Probably somewhere in this area. But EGLD, from $20 to $500. That's a 25x of your money in less than a year. EGLD. Let's keep going. We're not done yet. I went over sand, ocean, and waves when it was 4 cents. I said sand, ocean, and waves. Sand, ocean, and waves. I went over it so many times when it was 4 cents, you wouldn't believe it. I mean, at 40 cents, it was a 10x. At 80 cents, it was a 20x. At $4, it was a 100x. It is now even higher than that and continuing. I have a target here at 650 for sand. We also gave this chart yesterday when it retraced back to 396 and gave you bam, 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 sand. Let's talk about Rose and why I liked Rose, Oasis Protocol, okay? And bam, Oasis for the win, 134% gains. No stop loss got hit in the making of this trade. Another cup and handle. Are you seeing a pattern in how I trade? Cup and handle, 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 cup and handle. Over and over again. Let's talk about RFOX. RFOX, I did my research, found out it was very, very big in the metaverse. No one knew. With a name like RFOX, people really couldn't figure it out. I was able to see that. Got in at 13. This thing is continuing to rip to 25. Another gain of over 70% now, even higher, cracking 78% gains on RFOX from the initial retest. Okay? And I see it going all the way up here to 34 cents on the measured move. All right? So there's Rev, there's EGLD, there's Sand, there's Rose, there's RFOX, there's Cocos. This is all in the last 4 to 5 days, people. In the last 4 to 5 days, we're going over 6 coins that all went up hundreds of percent. This one is 70, the only one below 100%. This is insanity. This is insanity. I'm telling you right now. Like, let's go look at LRC just to be nice. And I started this channel just giving free advice every single day, just going over, not free advice, but free ideas, free posting, free, just showing what I do every day. Free education every single day. Just look at this, man. I mean, bang. And life advice. I don't give financial advice. I will give you advice at life, like how to drink lemon water, how to work out. That's advice, but it's not financial advice. And look at LRC posted last night saying it's bouncing off the 618. I'm telling you right now, even when the market was dismal, people were wilding out last night. I pulled a 32% overnight. So if you're at another channel, if you're watching some other YouTuber, come back to the Crypto Lifer. I'm telling you right now, everyone else quotes and says they're making the gains, but I don't know. We don't know. We show and prove it every single day here on the live stream. Let's get into Bitcoin. Let's show you what's happening. But just had to show you guys, I mean, we are destroying it right now. Patreon opens back up for credit cards on December 1st. Remember, if you join today, you'll get charged again on December 1st. So don't do that. But do join with crypto. Email cryptolifers@gmail and you join today. We mark it in the day you join. November 24th, you leave December 24th the next month. You can even pay for 3 months for $270. It's the best deal in the game. Jump on into the Patreon where you'll learn how to chart just like this. We'll show you what it is. It's not a call group. What we will do, we'll educate you. We'll show you examples of charts. We'll teach you what the 618 is. We'll teach you Fibonacci. We'll teach you how to draw support and resistance. We'll teach you how to find your own trades and accomplish your own goals. What we do not do, we do not take your money for any reason. We do not trade for you. We are not financial advisors or investment advisors. We aren't establishing a fund and you are not a client of ours. We aren't taking your money for any single reason. I'm not a financial advisor. Nothing I do and say here is taken as financial advice. This should be educational and promotional and entertainment purposes only. Okay? With that being said, I love you all and I thank you all for coming into the live stream and thank you for being here. But just so everybody knows, we are an educational trading group teaching people how to use technical analysis to change their life.